Hi friends, welcome back to Maths Dale. Today we are working on simplifying algebra, or some people say collecting the like terms. Basically, like collecting all the like algebra terms, so simplifying algebra. So this is our first question, which is 6x minus 9 plus 12x minus 17. So let's collect the like terms, means all the x's together, all the numbers together. So this is pretty easy. Many people struggle in that, and many ask us to make a video on that. So that's why we plan to just make a video today. So 6x and 12x, they are like, collect them together. That is 6 plus 6 plus 12. Simple, it's 18x. And this and that are together. So it's, remember, people get confused. Some people say that this plus belong to 9. Nah, always the front value, which is minus 9 and minus 17. So they both are like minus minus, same sign. Collect them together. Add them together. If they are same sign, just add them together. 19 plus 17, it's 26. And bigger number go minus sign. It's minus 26. That's it. That's pretty simple. That's it. That's the answer for that. This is our next question, which is 5 bracket 6x minus 9 bracket close minus 7 bracket 4x plus 13. So let's expand the bracket first before we do that. So we do 5 times 6, which is 30x minus 45 minus 28x. And remember, this is a very important point. Many can get confused here and go wrong. Minus times plus, it's minus. 7 times 13 is 91. I'm pretty sure you guys got it. So this is a very important thing. You have to be careful. If there's a minus sign, always multiply with the signs inside, and that will change. Now we are back to collecting the like terms. So underline the like ones first, which is 30 minus 28. So that is simple 2x. And the other one, we will circle it just to make them different. If we underline, we get confused. So avoid confusion at this stage. This is pretty easy, but easily it can go wrong. And if you are in GCSE or A level, things can easily go wrong. And just because of these minus and plus, you lose whole of the question. So it's minus 45 minus 9. They are same sign. Collect the like terms. Add them, simple as that, because since they are same sign, you just collect the like terms. So 45 plus 91, which is 136. Bigger number is minus, just put minus sign. That's it. It's nice and simple. Hope you guys got it. This is a bit you have to be careful. When you multiply with minus, you have to be careful with that. And if they are like terms, just collect them. Let's move on to the next one now. Yeah, this is the next one now, which is 9 bracket 4x minus 5 minus 6 bracket 3x minus 7. The reason we pick this question is because if you see in the previous one, there was a plus, there's a minus outside, there's a minus. So again, like major mistakes happen at this stage. So again, start that. 9 times 4, which is 36. 9 times 5 is 45, minus, obviously you know that. Now here, minus and plus will be minus 18x, and minus times minus, that is plus 42. Pretty simple. Just expand the bracket with the minus sign, collect that's it. Now back to collecting the like terms. So this and that, they are the same things. XX 36 minus 18. Remember that they are different signs. So simple. If you see they are different sign, take away, straight take away. 36 minus 18, which is 18x. And this is our second bit. We are circling together. They both are opposite sign. One is minus, one is plus. Without any second doubt, just take away. If you see they both are different sign, just take away. 45 minus 42, which is 3. come back and see which one is a bigger number. 45 is a bigger number, go minus. That's it. Done. Done. Simple. That's it. Just be careful, smartly work, you won't go wrong. Things are pretty simple and easy if you carefully work on it. There's a fourth question. Now, in here, we swap them around slightly. We normally, other questions got x in the first one, but here we put x in the second category. It's like people get slightly confused by seeing that, but there's nothing to worry about. There's nothing different in that. Exactly same thing. X, start the word. 9 times 5, 45. Then expand the bracket, just go the flow and carefully do it. Minus 30x. Minus times plus minus 32x. Minus times minus, which is plus 40. That's done. Simple. As you see, there's nothing different in that. Collect the like terms. Ooh, this is different, right? Yeah, so these two are the like terms. These two are the like terms. And these two are the like terms. Since it's positive, I'll start with that first. 45 plus 40, simple, nice and easy, 85. They both are minus, same sign. Bigger number is 32, so we'll put that minus here. 62x. That's it. Done. End of story. That's it. Pretty easy. It's nice and simple. I'll do one more question on that. See this one. Here, if you see, this is x squared and x squared. Like terms are not just x and y or that. Any will be in the like term. So here, x squared and x squared are the like terms. So 6 and minus 13, they are different sign. You take away, which is 7, but bigger is minus, so it's minus 7x squared. And this is our second like term. Minus minus, same sign. Bigger number is minus 8, 15x y. Done. That's it. That's pretty easy. That's nice and easy logic. I hope you guys are understanding. Collecting like terms are not hard at all. You have to be just careful. Underline all the first correct ones. Collect them. If they are both same sign, add them. If they're different sign, take away, put the bigger number sign. Like in my one of the previous video, how I showed plus and minus, how to add and subtract. If they are same sign, you add them. Different sign, you take away them. And always put the bigger number sign. And for the second one, just circle them the way I did it, and it'll be pretty easy to differentiate, like which one you already worked on, which one are not. Some of few questions I'll do like times and divide now quickly, just to get an idea how exactly it works. Let's see, this is the next one. First, if there is a times, you times the number 9 times 6, which is 54, and if they are same alphabet, if they both are same, you just add the powers. So that is a to the power 2 plus 3, which is 5. That's it. That's pretty easy. That's straightforward. If there's a times, you add the powers. When there's a divide, now when there's a divide, you just divide the number. 63 divided by 7, which is 9. And take away the powers. In here, you just subtract. If there's nothing, means 1. People get confused here again. If there is no power, means technically it's 1. So 4 minus 1, which is 3. That's it. Done. Simple. Easy. Right. This is one of the questions. Seeing that, many get slightly confused, like how to do that. Nothing to worry about. Do top first, then come back to the bottom. Now, what we are doing at the top. Top is 7. Go with the flow. See, they all are plus and minus. Just go with the flow. Always go with the flow. Means 7, take away 5. And, okay, before you do that, always make sure they all are like, which is A. All are A's. So 7 take away 5, which is 2. And 2 plus 14, which is 16. and a. See, if you see here, if you multiply, the power will increase. The power will increase index. And if you divide, the power will decrease. Take away, add and take away. But if you add or subtract, only the front value will increase. Coefficient will increase, not the powers. And here, in denominator, exactly same thing. We do 4 times 2, which is 8, and a times a. Now here we are multiplying the a's. A times a means 1 plus 1, a square. You get that, right? So, and the last bit, what we do is we divide them now. 16 divided by 8, which is 2. And since there is 1a and 1a here, 1a from top gone, 1a from bottom gone, answer is 2 over a. Or you can even write it as a 2a to the power of minus 1. You just take it up. That's it. So it's simple. Do top and bottom separately till you reach the single numbers. Then just work it out individually. That's pretty easy. That's quite simple. There's nothing to be confused of. I'll do one more last question based on this thing. Yeah, this is the last one. Let's do this. That looks like confusing, right? No, it is not. Plan. Carefully follow the steps. Let's do the top separately and bottom separately. When we expand the bracket for the top, 6 times 3, that will be 18x. 6 times 6 is minus 36. Minus, again, you have to be careful outside, right? If there's a minus, 7 times 21x minus 63. That's done. Come to the bottom now, step by step. There's nothing to expand. We put it here. Expand with the minus. Minus means minus 1. Just multiply with minus. So it's minus 3x minus 42. You got it. So the next step is collect the like terms. 18 minus 21. So it's take away, which is 3, and the bigger is minus. So it's minus 3. Minus 36 minus 63 is minus 99. Whole over 4x minus 3x, which is x, and which is minus 33. So now I can take the common from the top. So, or you can leave it like that, or you can take common from the top, or you can just leave it like that. So if I take common from that, that will be minus 3 bracket x minus, taking it out, both the minus out, it's 33 whole over x minus 33. That's it. We'll go through the factorize again later on. In different video, I'll show you factorize. Taking common. When we take minus 3 common, the both will be, minus signs will be out, and that will become plus. See, this is that. If they were same sign, you would have just simplified them, and the final answer can be minus 3. But here, they both are different sign. That's why we kept it like that. So both are different sign. You can't just simplify. Some people think that 33 is x. No, you can't do that. If they are different sign, you have to leave it like that. That's the answer. Some people think things are going wrong or they are wrong. No, things can be like that to check you. So hope you guys like it. Hope you understood what we worked today. This is as I say, simplifying algebra is a very simple process to do it. If you carefully follow that, it's much easier for you to understand and do that. And it's very important in GCSE, and if you're taking A-level maths, it's really, really important. Especially algebra can get way harder, but if you understand from the basic one and proper get the logic on that, then it will be much, much easier for you to work on that without any issue. Hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Anything, any specific you want, let us know. Bye. Take care.